Today, we would like to discuss the health benefits of onions and offer you some recipes using them. Onions, often considered a staple in the culinary world, offer far more than just flavor enhancement to dishes. These humble vegetables are packed with a wide range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health, here's a closer look at the numerous advantages of incorporating onions into your meals. Rich in nutrients. Onions are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Antioxidant power. Onions contain powerful antioxidants, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds. These antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting cellular health. Heart health. Onions have been linked to heart health due to their ability to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The sulfur compounds in onions may also promote healthy cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Onions contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This may be beneficial for individuals dealing with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Immune system support. The vitamin C in onions boosts the immune system by helping the body produce white blood cells and assisting in the fight against infections and illnesses. Digestive health. Onions are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. They also contain prebiotics that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the compounds in onions, particularly quercetin, may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal, stomach, and ovarian cancer. Blood sugar regulation. Onions have a low glycemic index and contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a good choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of onions may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions, including asthma and allergies. Skin benefits. Onions contain vitamins and antioxidants that can contribute to healthy skin. They may help reduce signs of aging and promote a radiant complexion. Detoxification. The sulfur compounds in onions are important for the body's detoxification processes. They support the liver in eliminating toxins from the body. Bone health. Onions contain small amounts of calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Weight management. Onions are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling and satisfying addition to meals. Including onions in your diet may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Hair health. Some people believe that the sulfur compounds in onions can promote hair growth and improve hair health when applied topically or consumed regularly. While all onions offer health benefits, the specific health properties can vary between types and growing conditions. Red onions, for instance, are often touted for their higher antioxidant content, while sweet onions are known for their milder flavor. It's a good idea to incorporate a variety of onion types into your diet to enjoy a range of health benefits, and consider personal preferences and dietary requirements when choosing which onions to use in your meals. Incorporating onions into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to reap these health benefits. Whether they're raw in salads, sautéed in stir-fries, or caramelized in soups, onions are a versatile and nutritious ingredient that can enhance both the flavor and the well-being of your meals. However, it's essential to note that individual reactions to onions may vary, and some people may experience digestive discomfort or allergies, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Here are some health recipes and uses for onions.
Onion poultice for congestion relief. Ingredients: 1 large onion. Thin cloth or muslin. Instructions: chop the onion into small pieces. Place the chopped onion in a thin cloth or muslin and tie it securely. Heat the poultice in the microwave for a few seconds until it's warm but not too hot to touch. Apply the warm poultice to your chest and cover it with a towel or cloth. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to help relieve chest congestion and ease breathing. Onion and honey cough syrup. Ingredients: 1 onion. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Instructions: slice the onion into thin rings. Layer the onion rings in a clean glass jar. Pour honey over the onion slices until they are fully covered. Close the jar and let it sit for several hours or overnight. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of the onion-infused honey as needed to soothe a cough or sore throat. Onion hair rinse for stronger hair. Ingredients: 1 to 2 onions. Water. Instructions: chop the onions into small pieces and place them in a pot. Add enough water to cover the onions. Bring the mixture to a boil and then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the onion-infused water to cool and strain it. After shampooing, use the onion-infused water as a final rinse for your hair to promote hair strength and growth. Onion compress for arthritis pain relief. Ingredients: 1 to 2 onions. Thin cloth or muslin. Instructions: chop the onions and place them in a thin cloth or muslin. Heat the cloth in a microwave for a short time until it's comfortably warm. Apply the warm onion compress to the affected joint or area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to help reduce inflammation and ease arthritis pain. Onion and vinegar insect repellent spray. Ingredients: 1 onion. 1 cup white vinegar. Instructions: chop the onion into small pieces. Place the onion pieces in a glass container and pour the vinegar over them. Seal the container and let it sit for a few days. Strain the liquid and transfer it to a spray bottle. Use this natural onion and vinegar spray as an insect repellent for your skin and clothes when spending time outdoors. Onion-infused water for plant growth. Ingredients: onion peels or leftover onion parts. Water. Instructions: collect onion peels or leftover onion parts. Place them in a container and cover them with water. Let the water sit for a day or two. Use this onion-infused water to water your plants. The nutrients from the onion can help promote healthy plant growth. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you soon.